Ever wondered how those crispy samosas are made? Let's take you inside one of the busiest samosa factories.
Here, thousands of crispy, golden samosas are made every single day. But how exactly do they get from raw ingredients to your plate?
In today's video, we'll take you through every step of the process, from flour to fry.
Everything begins with the best ingredients: fresh vegetables, fine flour, and a secret blend of spices.
Spices are carefully measured and blended to bring the perfect flavor to each samosa.
Flour, the base of the dough, is measured precisely to ensure consistency in every batch.
Each ingredient is chosen with care to ensure every samosa is of the highest quality. Potatoes, a classic filling, are washed and prepped for cooking.
Onions and spices are sautéed to perfection, creating the base for the potato filling.
The dough is made by mixing flour, water, and a special blend of spices.
Once mixed, the dough is kneaded to achieve the right consistency, soft yet firm.
Next, the dough moves along the conveyor belt to be rolled out into thin sheets. The dough is flattened into thin sheets, ready to be shaped into samosas.
In another part of the factory, the filling is being prepared. Potatoes, peas, and seasoning cooked to perfection.
The dough is then cut into perfect circles, the ideal size for filling.
The potatoes and peas are mixed with a blend of secret spices, bringing the samosas their signature taste.
Once the filling is ready, it's transferred to trays, ready to be stuffed into the dough.
The filling is carefully placed onto the dough to ensure each samosa is stuffed to perfection.
Each batch is stirred and checked to make sure the filling is perfectly seasoned.
In addition to machines, skilled workers fold and seal the samosas by hand to ensure the filling stays intact.
The dough is expertly folded around the filling, creating the classic triangular shape.
In high-speed machines, samosas are formed at lightning speed, ensuring consistency and quality. Once sealed, the samosas move down the line to be fried to crispy perfection. The samosas are dropped into large vats of hot oil, where they begin to sizzle and fry.
The high temperature ensures that the outer crust turns golden and crispy, while the filling remains warm and flavorful inside.
The frying process is crucial. If the oil temperature is too low, the samosas won't crisp up properly.
Each batch is carefully monitored to ensure the samosas fry evenly.
A quick test ensures that the samosas are crispy on the outside, while soft and flavorful on the inside.
Every batch is inspected by our quality control team to make sure they meet our high standards.
We test samosas for uniformity in shape, crispiness, and taste before moving them to the next step.
Each package is sealed and labeled with important information, such as the date of production.
Once packed, the samosas are transported to distributors and stores across the country.
The samosas are now ready to be shipped to stores and restaurants.
Once packed, the samosas are transported to distributors and stores across the country. Soon, these crispy delights will be enjoyed by people everywhere, from homes to restaurants.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the samosa factory. Next time you bite into a samosa, you'll know exactly how it was made.
From our factory to your plate, these samosas bring joy and crispy goodness to every meal.
Wow.